Getting ready to take this trade. The MACD has come up, gone to the upside, crossed up, and the cumulative delta is trending up. We have an uptrend above the 200 EMA, above the 9 and the 21. I'm waiting for the one candle pullback. I'm going to go long. I have 5 micros. I'm going to take away 4 micros at 10 points and let a runner run. Try to get it to touch the EMA. I should have entered there. A little bit more.
Order filled.
And I usually go and take profit at the top, but this was 10 points here, so I just left it. Now you could go to break even at this point. I usually go to break even at the top.
Order filled.
There we go. Trying to go for like 50 points here, but sometimes it just comes back and gets you. And I got nervous, move the stop up. I don't like that wick there. If it could just continue to kind of trend up, but so we see if we can trail it a little bit more.
Stop filled.
All right, stopped out. That's good though. Good trade. Here we are again. We're in our downtrend. The delta's trending down. We just crossed on the MACD down. We're waiting for that one candle pullback, or if you're bold enough, try to get it to touch the EMA, but it doesn't look like the EMAs are trending down perfectly just yet like they were here. All right, there's the pullback. First one candle pullback after the move down on the MACD is what I was waiting for, and I didn't take it. I panicked. All right, moving back up. Little 3-wave move here, touch the EMA, then make a little move down. Come on, let's go. Boom.
Order filled.
All right, so we got the 10 points down. It's a little bit further than the low.
Order filled.
All right. Take profit as hit for 10 points. That was the 4 micros, and I'm going to leave the runner. What I need to do with the runner is just trail these candles. Trail each down close candle. Like I should move my stop right here, right now. Sometimes you get that extra 50 points. So 1 micro is another $100 on the trade. So if you do that every...
Stop filled.
All right, stopped out. Good trade again. So that was the only 2 trades I took today. Actually, I think I took 1 for a break even. So pretty good day. So that was Tuesday's trading back here. This is the MNQ on the hourly chart. This is the weekly point of control on, well, let's see. This is the hourly chart. So Tuesday would have been back here or something. All right, so this is the weekly point of control. This is where we are at the moment. Here's 2 weeks ago. This is last week. This week it's down here. So what we did yesterday is we came up here. We almost tested the weekly point of control, and then we moved away. We're probably going to this level here, which is this little low volume area. And here's the current weekly point of control here. Here we are on the 5-minute chart. Looks like we had a big down move overnight. And these 2 lines here are yesterday's high and low. So we're below yesterday's daily candle. So I would think that we're going to visit this area today. Obviously, this could be a correction for more upside, and then you could get above this candle and go back and test the weekly point of control, but who knows? So that's the overall view on the MNQ. We can check the MES here, S&P 500 micros, and here is 2 weeks ago's point of control here. Here's last week's. We actually tapped into last week's point of control yesterday at about 1 p.m. and then we rejected it, came down, tested this last night. We were hanging around there, and then we've come all the way down. So on the MNQ, we didn't actually get to this area, but on the MES we did. Now we're in this low volume area here, and here is yesterday's high and low. So we'll see if this continues downward. Maybe this was just one big correction, or we can get some more consolidation here. Tomorrow's Good Friday, so the market's closed, so I don't know what to think right now. If you were going lower, if you wanted to look lower, you would probably want a little bit of a pullback back into this area. And if you were looking higher, you probably want this area to break, come up here, correct back down to this area, and then go back up. So those are the two big ideas, the big indices, futures. Let's look at Euro. On the 4-hour chart, get rid of these drawings. So we've got a big move up, we've got a big correction that breaks these lows, then comes back up, and now it's got an impulse down. Very similar move to the two indices. Look at that on the hourly. So the direction right now is anybody's guess, I think. You know, is this a move up correction for upside, or is this a correction and we're going to take out these lows? Just, it doesn't look like you can make any sense of it right now. So that is my input for the week. I haven't been doing my daily videos like I was about a month ago. I'm trying to change that. That's why I put the two trades out in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll definitely do some back testing videos this weekend. I actually have another video that I'll probably do tomorrow about some back tests I've done over the last 2 weeks. So that includes, I think, the Gans swing and the swing failure pattern, and I have another video that I've been working on or a back test that I've been doing on just simple 1-minute chart scalping on signal candles. So you'll like that. So tune back in this weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Good luck.